welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm starting out a vlog, but I'm very excited about this one because I'm going to be sharing how I prep for a new semester. I'm going to show you guys basically some planner organization, what I do to fill in my planner for the semester to prepare for like when classes are going to start, which I start in exactly a week. Today is Monday the 10th. I start next Monday, August 17th, so we're starting actually a week earlier than we normally do, and we're finishing the semester earlier as well, so that's great. It's going to be a little bit different, but it's fine, and we're supposed to be online from August 17th to the 13th of September as of right now. I'm going to keep updating you guys. Last semester we started online after spring break, so I didn't really have time to, I guess, like plan for it. I just kind of had to like go with the flow and figure things out as it went along, so I'll actually be able to prepare for it and figure out ways that help me the best so that I can share it with you guys in today's vlog, and hopefully you guys pick up some of my tips or how I prepare, implement that into your preparation for the semester whenever you guys start. I got a lot of responses on my other vlog when I asked when you guys started your semester, but if you didn't watch that video, go check it out, and also comment down below your major, what grade you're in, when you start, and how you feel about having online classes again. So let's actually get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Always leave me comments down below, and make sure you are subscribed if you're new here. Okay, we are at my desk now. I have my planner and I have my laptop. So I actually just also got an email from my school, so I'm going to update you guys now, since I told you guys I'd update you whenever they updated us, which was today. So due to like the pandemic obviously still going on, and we haven't like moved forward with stages, there are only going to be a very limited number of courses that will be offered in person beginning on the September 14th date that I told you guys before, which was when we were supposed to go back. So they changed it to now a very limited amount. So those classes, it includes labs, a few clinical courses in health sciences and psychology, which I am a psych major, but I'm not sure if any of like the 2 courses I'm taking, if they're going to be in person, they're going to follow up. That's the latest update. Right now I have also my highlighters, so I have these right here. These are the ones that I use, the clear view. If you guys would have seen my back to school haul, I talked about my must-haves from Target. So I have these 3. So we're gonna get to me showing you how I fill in my planners. So I just need my pen. I use the Papermate Gel Inkjoy pens, and I have the Day Designer planner right here. So the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is flipping to the month overview. I'm going to open up my computer. Right now I'm going to log on to my school Blackboard, so I can just take a look at each of the courses that I'm taking again, and also share it with you guys, so I'll let you guys know my schedule. So my courses that I'm taking is, I'm taking a 5, I'm taking 15 credits. So I have my last like art requirement for my gen eds. I'm taking a general drawing 1 class, and then I'm taking a course that's working with families. That's a criminal justice class. It's part of my minor requirement. And then I'm taking another of my minor requirement. It's my last 2. So these are my last 2. After this fall semester, I'm completely done with my minor, and I'm taking victimology. And then I'm taking 2 psych courses, so I'll be done with like 1 big portion of my psych requirements as well. So I'm taking research methods and then theories of personality. So those are my 2 psych classes, then my 2 minor classes, and then just one of my gen eds that I'm going to be done with. So 5 classes, and being that now we're basically gonna be fully online, this method is gonna be really efficient. So I'm really happy that I got to get that notification today so that I'm well aware. And yeah, so this gives you guys a little bit of a better insight, because a lot of you are going to be fully online too. So what I recommend doing is, in your planner, what I love to do is I color code each course. So I'll write down each course in this little notes to do section. I'm going to show you guys. So in this notes and to do, I'm going to write down basically like a little color coordinated key. I'm going to write down the course name, and I'm going to highlight it a specific color. And I have my pencil case here. I actually have another highlighter because I'm taking 5 classes, so I need more than just those 3. I have a blue one and a green one. Where is it? Even though they're not all from the clear view, it's completely fine. But just so I can stay organized, which I will show you guys in a second. So I recommend color coordinating each of your classes first things first. And I'm also going to write here a little reminder that I need to order my, well, kind of like browse and see if I can find online PDFs for my books, because I got a syllabus already for one class, and I want to see if I can find it, like a PDF version, without having to purchase one. And I just love color coordinating because it's very aesthetic and it just makes everything extra organized. I got all my courses written out, and I just made a little to-do list. So I need to make sure I order books and look for PDFs if possible, and make sure I download each of my syllabus. So I usually just download it on my computer and it'll have it for the whole semester, because sometimes I need to keep referring back to it because most syllabus have the like a tentative course schedule with all your assignments for the whole semester. But now I'm going to pick a color and color coordinate each class. Next up, I'm going to take the syllabus. This is for my Working with Families class, my crim class. She's the only person that actually uploaded the syllabus. So this is the next thing I'm going to do. So I'm basically just going to do it for this one class, but I'm going to show you what I do. But I do this for all of my classes once they upload the syllabus. So even though not all of them are uploaded, I'm not going to be writing in everything. I'm still showing you guys this one because it's literally the same process. So I open up the syllabus. So what I do is I take a look at the calendar. So it has the weeks, it has the specific dates that go along with it, the topic of that week, and my assignment. So basically this means I should have read and done the journal, whatever it is, for that before I get to class that day. I've had this teacher before, so I'm pretty familiar with all of this because we've had a journal due, we've had discussions all the time. So I'm very familiar with this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down for each week and write down any major due dates. Like this, we have an issue brief due, so that's like our final exam, so that's pretty big. So I'd make sure I just write in everything. Some people like to just write big due dates like their final or the midterm, but I literally write down everything because that makes a huge difference in making sure you're handing in all your assignments on time. It's very easy to forget when you don't write everything down. It might seem excessive writing down every week something that's due when it's not like a big assignment, but for me it helps me. I really recommend writing down every single date so you don't forget, because if you have it in your planner in your monthly overview, every time you know a new week is coming, you can get a look ahead of each assignment that you have to do and get a head start, because that's what I do, and I always talk about that, getting a head start, getting work done before it's due. So this method is by far the best. So I'm gonna actually give you guys a quick overview for this course, but also I just read everything before I started just to make sure. I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you're actually reading through your whole syllabus so you get an idea of, you know, more in depth of each assignment, and there's usually like a rubric or something. But anyways, for mine, we have to each week have read the chapter. We have a journal due each Wednesday before class, and a discussion, one question also that we have to answer. And then we have to watch the lecture PowerPoint because it's going to have audio connected to it, being that we're going to be online. So I have to do that basically for every Wednesday, and then we have to respond to 2 other classmates' discussion posts, and those are due by Saturday, the latest, 11:59. So I kind of just wrote for every Saturday to make sure I know that the discussion is due. Also, if they respond to us, like our discussion, we have to like respond back. So I just wanted to give myself a friendly reminder just so I'm not forgetting to respond and get unnecessary points taken off. So once more of my professors start emailing us, they usually do a couple of days before the semester, but this teacher was ahead, which I liked just because it was annoying because I was like, whoa, a whole month ahead, but like it's kind of good because I got to write everything down today. So once more of my professors email us, I will probably insert some clips within another vlog during this week because I'm vlogging again, I believe, this week a couple more times, like twice. So you make sure you have your post notifications on because these type of clips are so motivating to me and so just like aesthetically pleasing. So I love doing this. I always am writing in my planner throughout the whole semester, and you guys know in my productive vlogs I'm always writing in my planner, my little to-do list. So regardless, I will fill out the rest during the week once I receive more. But yeah, that's basically what I do to fill in my planner and get prepared for a new semester. I've done it even last semester when we were going in person. It just helps me. So now definitely with online school I have to be a little bit extra organized just because it can get pretty chaotic with a lot of stuff that I have to type, because this class is a lot of journaling, so I'm going to have to be typing a lot of things out. And I'm sure since we're online, like most professors are going to assign a lot of like essays and stuff, so I definitely need to make sure I'm staying very, very organized. So another thing we need to do to get prepared, download Zoom. Zoom University Part 2. So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? So the next thing I do to prepare is create my alarm schedule for myself. So I'm looking at right now my classes, and Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays my classes start at 10. So I'm going to create an alarm for 9 a.m. because now that it's going to be mainly online, I don't need to wake up like way earlier, because I'm the type of person, I love to have my morning time and not rush out the door, but I still want to have that time to like eat breakfast, relax before I hop on my Zoom calls. So put it for 9 a.m. If I feel like I should wake up a little bit earlier, then I'll decide like the first week. And a great thing about this is you can have it repeat the days of the week that you want it to. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Fridays. Right, so we have this one all good and ready. The next thing, so Wednesdays is my early day, so 8:30 is my first class. So I'm gonna wake up on Wednesdays at 7:30. Give myself an hour. Repeat every Wednesday. And then that's basically covers the week. So I highly recommend making yourself a little alarm system so that you're not just waking up 5 minutes before, because then of course you're gonna dread being in class. If you have your morning to yourself, it just kind of helps a little bit, and knowing that you have that me time before you had your Zoom calls or whatever. I like to just chill. I'll have my coffee, watch like a YouTube video while I have my breakfast, and relax. So that's what I love to do. So that is basically it. I know I did a lot of talking, but I really wanted to explain why I do what I do when it comes to like organizing my planner. But like I said, you guys will see way more of me organizing myself during the semester, especially with the day-to-day sections, because those are also very crucial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I prepare for a new semester. I'm going to be a junior. If you guys didn't know that, I'm a junior. My major is psychology and my minor is social justice advocacy. So I forgot to mention that earlier. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little how I prep for a new semester and just some planner organization, because we all need to be organized for an online semester because it can get pretty overwhelming, and if you don't want to be stressed, then definitely use my method of writing down everything in your syllabus. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Be sure to always leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also comments down below because I respond to all of my comments. See you guys all in the next one.